What up, guys? Just a heads up, this video is gonna be a chill video. You guys can see it's literally probably, I'll tell you right now, when I checked it was 18 degrees outside, so there will be no Civic content today. Right now it went up to 23 right now, so it's a little bit better. So guys, I'm just gonna do the brake pads real quick on the CRV. So buddies, you guys can see I got my work clothes on. I don't have my good hoodie on. By the way, hoodies are now in pre-order, so everybody that's watching this, I wanted hoodies. DM me on Instagram at Steven Ocasio. So hit me up on Instagram to make a pre-order. I've already taken a whole bunch of orders. I'm only doing them by pre-orders. Hit me with the pre-order, and then you definitely have a spot. You will not miss out on a hoodie. Look at these brake pads, dude. Look how close it is. Terrible. I'm my boy with the G again. Huh? You got the air out? Oh, you see it? Dumped. So I'm about to pull out this X-bar, take off these wheels. Replace this upper control arm also because this thing makes noise when I drive it. But yeah, start taking this off. Yeah, so I sometimes usually just like go tight and then loose. So I won't just like, you know, snap it so it moves a little bit. Wait, bro. All you gotta do, bro.
I got you.
Let me see. Let it go quick. See how weird out these brakes were. Yeah, they were done. They were at its last life. I haven't changed them since I got the car. It's been a couple months already. Definitely time to go. Easiest way is to change the brake pads. If you're just gonna, like right now I'm choosing the pads because I think the rotor should be good. If they're bad, then I'll just buy another ones, but you just take out the bottom bolt and you just hook up the caliper and you can just swap them off like that. Alright, so I forgot to film it, but I got the brakes on. So I ran into the issue. I'll show you the other side where the piston stays like it's pushed out a lot, but that's because the brakes was already low, so the piston was already the same size as the pads. So basically you just have to put the pad down and just get like a flat head between the brake pad and the piston, and you just pull it. You just push real hard all the way to that side, and then you just get this once it, you know, goes good enough where you can put the other two, you know, when it gets good to where the other brake pad fits and it goes down, then this is going to be out that way. So then you just get the caliper and you just move it up and down and it just pushes in. Make sure the bottom does the same, and that's it, you're good to go. Bro, guys, it's fucking cold. Super cold. Gotta get done though.
Have the shirt on right now.
Peep this cat. Yo. Let's see if it does. See if it does. Meow. Yo. You're here. Yo. Yo. Alright, what up guys? So The next day was way too cold to finish vlogging yesterday. Just want to let you guys know. Finished up on the pads. At the pads, yeah, the wheels dirty. This one was whatever. It gave me a little issue putting the piston back in. Now this other side was a big headache. This side over here, this side over here, the how can I say it? This side over here was the big headache. So when I took everything off, the piston, when I was trying to put everything back in, the piston would not want to go back in. The real issue was this, the piston on the left side, that thing would not close. It took me and my dad literally so much force. So I'm gonna have to just lubricate a little bit and then just buy a new, a whole new caliper. So that's what I'm gonna do. It took me so hard to take that off. So that's why my brakes on that side have been literally wearing out so fast, because I haven't really been noticing it, because I just got the car like a couple months ago, and haven't really been able to do like too much work to it. So, but now that it's getting a little warmer, I'm gonna just literally look over the whole car and change everything on it. I got this dope air freshener too that I got from her name is Amanda. She's a YouTuber also, so that's her company right now, right there. She sells like these air fresheners and some other air fresheners and some stickers and stuff. So go check her out. This thing is nice. I like how this shit looks. If you guys don't know what it is, it's an OEM Honda filter. It's an air freshener. I was gonna do a how to turbo your Civic vlog because I know a lot of people wanted me to do that, but it's been too cold. Today's actually good, but I literally just snuck out the house real quick because my wife has family over, so you know we went to church and then come out, so we have family over. So I just literally ran off for like a few minutes to be able to, you know, fill you guys in with what happened yesterday. And I know this vlog is regular, just like a regular talking vlog, so I just wanted to put something out there for you guys because yesterday was literally like 20 degrees. I couldn't do anything. And it's winter time, so it's hard to really make like some crazy content or good content all the time. So I'm sorry, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was like talking or whatever. But for those of you who don't know, this is the inside of my car. I've wrapped all of this myself. Done this, did that over here. I want to do this up here, but I'm too lazy. Got a energy quick release, shore hub and everything. Steering wheel. Phantom boost gauge, AM fuel rail, you know, skunk tool, circuit shifter, spoon shift knob. I now have like a whole bunch of new subscribers of people that have been asking me about my car and stuff. And for those of you who don't know, here she is, stock JDM B16, completely stock, has an eBay turbo, custom manifold. But that's something that I want to get into on another video because you guys keep telling me to do this video, so I have to do this video. So I'm gonna do the video for you guys. It's just been too freaking cold, man. Too cold. It's just been too cold, man. And those of you who have been asking me about my bay, how it's like still like you guys can see, still all nice and shiny. A lot of you think that's like, you know, professional paint, but I did that myself. You know, I think I know how to paint engine bays pretty good for spray can. That's all done with spray can. So, you know, prepped it good. I have a video on that also. You guys just gotta go pretty back, but yeah, I did this bay by myself with spray can, clear and everything. And that shine is crazy for a spray can. Look at that. Valve cover too. But yeah, anyways guys, I'm gonna go inside right now. I just wanted to give you guys this quick video because I just wanted to give you guys something for the week. So I apologize guys if this is just like a regular whatever talking video. I just needed to give you guys something. I know you guys always ask me just put anything out, even if it's whatever talking. So I appreciate you guys for the support. And I want to go inside also and show you guys, talk to you guys about the t-shirts and stuff like that also. For those of you that have been hitting me up and been wanting this, hoodies are not going to be made. I'm trying to get them done literally probably get them done first week of March, second week the latest before March Madness. So if you're local or if you're around and you don't need a shipping, then you'll be able to get them fast. But if you do need shipping, then I'll probably get them the first week of March, and then probably just send them out. So you probably get them like second week of March around it, probably hopefully before March Madness. But if you guys are going to March Madness, then you're definitely going to get them before March Madness. So the way I'm doing these are, I'm doing these by pre-order. So once you pre-order, send me the money, your address, location, everything, whatever. You're guaranteed to have a hoodie. The shirts went by like this. I still have a few more shirts, but a lot of people weren't able to get t-shirts. So I just made another batch of shirts now. This is my second batch of shirts because they're literally going by fast. So if you haven't got a shirt, you want to get a shirt, DM me with DM me. I'll give you pricing, obviously. But the shirts are $25. And then they're $30 for like anything over 1XL, so like 2XL, 3XL, 4XL, whatever. But I think I have one more 4XL. I'm not sure, but anything over like 1XL is $30. $5 flat rate shipping. So if it's $25 the shirt, $5 shipping. $30 shirt, $5 shipping. So I just made more now, so they're gonna literally go by freaking fast. Now hats. You guys haven't seen hats. So these are the hats. Well, you guys see me have the hats on, so you guys know what they look like. But these are literally no cheap hats. These are literally dad hats, high quality, no like regular stamp or nothing. These are all stitched. If you guys can see, that is all stitched in. So the hats are $30, obviously, like I said, and shipping is $5. So here you guys go. You guys see the shirt, built to enjoy. It's literally turning into like a big movement. You guys have been like supporting me like insane. You guys have been supporting me so much that like I literally cannot believe it. The support from you guys has literally been like insane. I did not think you guys would support me this much, and it's literally insane. For my first time dropping merch, it's been like a crazy amount of orders. Like I think it's been probably more than like 100 orders. For a small YouTuber, over 100 orders, that's a great achievement. People don't actually do that even with like a lot of subscribers. And for my first drop, you guys literally held it down. I appreciate you guys like from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, guys, so go get your merch now. I got the hoodies pre-order. So remember, it's only by pre-order. Got the hats. The hats are in stock. And shirts are in stock. You guys have to DM me before anything, so I can let you guys know if the shirts sizes are in stock. So these are not these are not like hot press, like that cheap, like these are not like the cheap like sticker that you put on it and you like heat, like you put the iron or the heat to it. No, these is screen printed, literally none of that like cheap stuff or whatever. So it's all high quality. I don't want to sell you guys like stuff that's not quality. I've washed it. People that have bought shirts and everything, have washed it and it's all good. So it's not like the sticker that you put on that people just iron on and you just peel off the plastic and you wash it and it comes off. No, that's real screen printing. That's like what I don't even know what it's called. It's like with with paint, like I don't know how to explain it, but that's like the real deal. So I don't want to put out no like cheap quality stuff because you guys mean a lot to me. You guys have been supporting me from day one, so I want to give you guys the best of the best. Shirts are Gildan shirts, so everything is high quality, guys. The hoodies, this hoodie was running like a size smaller, so I didn't go with this hoodie. I'm going with Gildan true to size hoodies, so you don't have to worry about it being too small, too big. These are true to size, the ones that I'm getting. These were just like a platform for me to see how they were. So now that I see that these are run too small, I'm not doing these. I'm doing original Gildan hoodies, so true to size. Don't worry about the size; they're gonna fit you good. And I also forgot to let you guys know. We also have stickers. Stickers are $7. Also have stickers. Let me know, guys. The camera died, so I just put the camera to record it quick. Came to my daughter's room real quick because my wife's watching a movie. I know this video was just a lot of talking. I just wanted to put something out there for you guys. Thank you guys again. I'm literally about to hit 21,000 subscribers already. You guys have been killing and watching every single video, subscribing. So thank you guys again. Make sure you smash the like button on this video. Comment down below if you're going to cop a merch or what do you think about the merch. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. I appreciate you guys. Peace.